This past Saturday, Ella and I hit the road in Saturday traffic and 90-degree temperatures to go to one of our favorite places, Sage Farm Antiques in Northampton, New Hampshire. And just upon arriving, I spotted this porch swing. Look at this. Beautiful green. I wish I had a place for it. It was selling for only $45 with the chains and all. Somebody's going to really score on this piece. I've been crushing on some of these folding tables lately, and I love this one. It'd be so cute. An old blue plate for $9. And look at this allotment of teacups. All of these for $8. These would be so cute for a little girl's tea party. I like the blue and gray look to this cabinet. It'd be so pretty in a white home, in an entryway, in a garden shed. I like the contrast. This theme had a coastal theme to it, as most of Sage Farm Antiques pop-ups do. Even just stopping by to get inspired here. They have so many beautiful styling things going on and details. And my big find of the weekend was this work table. Or is it a drafting table? I'm really not sure. So it's made out of pine. It stands very tall. The top slants, but it does not open. And I thought it would be really pretty in our dining room as used as a makeshift desk. So this was my big find of the weekend.